Get ready for a thrilling countdown of unconventional weapons that don't rely on gunpowder. From pocket slingshot arrows to compact crossbows, we're diving into the exciting world of alternative firepower. The manufacturer of this slingshot describes it as a product that may evoke feelings of nostalgia. However, it bears a striking resemblance to the homemade slingshots that children use to shoot plastic bottles, with the main difference being that this slingshot is much more powerful and can cause serious harm. It is banned in several countries such as China, Norway, and Iceland, which is appropriate given its potential danger. The slingshot can fire various types of projectiles, including paintball pellets and arrows, which may explain why it is marketed to hunters and fishermen. It has a firing speed of around 107 meters per second, and the most advanced set can cost around $140. This weapon has sparked significant controversy on forums and YouTube comments. MAMBA compound crossbows are sometimes known as pistol crossbows and are designed with compactness and lightness in mind. Some models weigh about 1 kilogram and are only 41 centimeters long, but they still offer impressive features. Many of these crossbows are suitable for hunting, with innovative design and the silent bowstring tensioner allowing for quick and easy shooting in confined spaces. However, some people believe that the reverse limb systems are more of a marketing tactic than a true necessity. The price of these crossbows ranges from $400 to $500. If the aforementioned crossbow is too expensive, you can start with something simpler like a slingshot. These models can be used for hunting and come equipped with telescopic sights, making them no joke. These slingshots are manufactured in China and cost approximately $200. For this price, buyers will get tension adjustment, a metal housing, and a plastic grip, making it suitable for both recreational shooting and hunting. The shooting velocity can reach up to 137 meters per second, and in some kits, you can find not only a spare rubber band set, but also a toolkit. Gamo, a Spanish company, offers 2 rifles for sale, the TC-35 and TC-45. It's interesting to note that these rifles actually come from South Korea. Gamo signed an agreement with the South Korean company Umarex to sell their rifles under their own brand. The rifles come in 9mm and 11.43mm calibers and are suitable for recreational shooting and hunting such as wild boar. Both rifles have the same weight and price, which is 4 kilograms and $1,050. The Korean version is slightly more expensive at $1,200. Looking for a high-quality slingshot that packs a punch? The RSX-8 is a sniper model slingshot that promises top-of-the-line performance for a price of around $210. With a shooting range of over 100 meters, and the ability to hit targets such as a cane toad from a distance of up to 50 meters, it's no wonder that the designers of the product claim that it shouldn't be compared to similar products. The RSX-8 comes with a Picatinny rail, which makes it easy to add on any optical accessories you might need to enhance your shooting experience. While these accessories are sold separately, the slingshot itself weighs in at a solid 5 kilograms and is delivered in 3 separate boxes for your convenience. If you're thinking of purchasing the RSX-8, it's worth noting that the comments section on the product page discusses the legality of purchasing and using the slingshot in different countries. As always, make sure to do your research and follow local laws and regulations before making any purchases. This device, which was built at home, resembles the weapons in many science fiction movies. On the screen, you can see a coil gun that operates by accelerating the projectile using an electromagnetic field. Interestingly, the creator of this device is a pacifist, and he built it to showcase his skills and inspire others to take an interest in science and technology. He has been successful in doing so, with users appreciating his detailed explanation. Some of them even requested him to build a sniper rifle for another project. According to some reviews, this crossbow is powerful enough to take down a bear. It has a range of 69 meters and can shoot arrows at an initial speed of about 137 meters per second. When equipped with a sight, the crossbow weighs around 4 kilograms. The creators of the weapon emphasize its large capacity, as the magazine can hold air for 25 shots. Additionally, the PCP release technology allows for virtually recoil-free shooting. The price for this impressive weapon is $500. The next item on the list is a very uncommon, self-made crossbow gun. The designer was inspired by a wooden model and created a 3D printed replica of it. However, he cautioned people who plan to replicate it to ensure that they are not breaking any laws. This version of the crossbow can hold 6 projectiles ranging from 160 to 163 millimeters in length. The crossbow features 2 Picatinny rails for sight target, designator, and other upgrades. It weighs approximately 600 grams and has a cocking system that exceeds many production crossbows. According to comments, the kit is expected to cost around $100. Here's a video from a team that tests and evaluates various products for outdoor activities. In this case, they tested a product that can shoot a grappling hook or 100 paintballs at a time with ease. The trick lies in the cannon system, which looks like a huge silencer and uses gases from blanks. The team that created cannon claims that if fired correctly, a soda can will fly 96 meters away. There are numerous models available that allow you to shoot pressed t-shirts, golf balls, paint cans, and just about anything. It's ideal for recreational shooting and for creating impressive videos. The price starts at around $130. The Slingshot designers have created a slingshot rifle that is available in stores for experienced shooters with some knowledge of mechanics. This unique device has 3 poles for firing and uses steel pellets that range from 4 to 6 millimeters in diameter. It can load 10 to 20 pellets at a time, but some daring individuals opt for a single 18 millimeter pellet. But before even trying to purchase this slingshot, you should definitely check the regulations in your country. For those seeking more adventure, carbon arrows weighing between 300 and 400 grams are also available. The price of this slingshot rifle is around $490 due to its advanced features and design. The main question is whether this product can be classified as a crossbow or not. The reason being that the makers have used microlimbs instead of the traditional ones. This unique approach has been patented, and the final product is called a torsion crossbow, although not everyone may agree with this classification. While you share your opinion in the comments section, let's take a quick glance at the specifications of this crossbow. It weighs approximately 4.5 kilograms or 10 pounds, shoots arrows at a speed of 112 meters per second, which is around 367 feet per second, and is only 10 centimeters wide. An interesting slogan associated with this crossbow is "Don't improve your gear, improve your hunt." But this improved hunting experience comes at a cost of around $2,500. Introducing the Fenris magazine for compound bows. It is compatible with both right-handed and left-handed bows, can hold 5 arrows, and features a Picatinny rail. It also includes a revolutionary aiming device. The designers are confident that this magazine will significantly improve accuracy. However, it's important to note that it's not compatible with all bows. Additionally, it comes with a price tag of $1,100, so potential buyers may require some guidance. For all Robin Hood fans who can't afford a good bow, this slingshot is a great alternative. Its range is shorter, of course, but it's more versatile. For example, there is a kit that allows you to take it fishing. With this slingshot, you'll be able to catch carp or pike, so you can feel like the legendary hero and avenger, as well as a hunter. The arrows have a flight speed of 36 meters per second, making the slingshot suitable for small game. The price of the version with fishing accessories is $180. Well, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.